How to fix Nvidia control panel display settings missing or not showing. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can fix if Nvidia control panel settings are missing, so make sure to stick with me till the end. So if your Nvidia control panel settings are missing, which is the display settings, to fix it, first of all try opening up your settings application on Windows. Then simply go to Windows Update section here. Then just go to this option that says check for updates and ensure that your Windows is updated to the latest version. Even if there is a minor update, make sure to install those respective updates. After you do that, you can simply try going to device manager over here. Then once you go to device manager, you will see this little pop-up over here, right? Now over here you can see display adapters. Select display adapters and here you'll see your respective display adapters. Right click on it, click on update driver, click on search automatically for drivers and ensure that your display drivers are also updated to the latest version. Now after you have done this, you can just try to restart your computer, and once you restart it, you should definitely be able to see the display settings under your Nvidia control panel. So hope this video helps you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.